I'm doing a brake job. If you ever find yourself doing brakes where you got to break the caliper off, you got to get those lines loose, and then air gets in, and you know, you're doing all that bleeding to get it out, and then it's always you and you're always by yourself and you never have anyone to help you get your brakes bled, I'm going to show you how to do it by yourself. It's super easy, it's super quick, it's really a no-brainer, and you can just do it by yourself. So first thing you want to do is get your car jacked up, get it on jack stands, and then you're going to pop the hood of your car, and then you're going to open your brake master cylinder, just like that. Set your cap wherever you're not going to lose it, and then you're going to make sure your bleeder valve is loose. Mine was already loose because of what I was doing. And then you wait. Wait until the fluid comes out. It's going to be a minute. So what it's doing while you're waiting for the fluid to come through is gravity feeding. It's gravity feeding from the master cylinder through the lines into the caliper. The idea is to get all the air out, right? That's why we bleed the brakes, but there's no air when it's gravity feeding. It's just straight fluid. It's going through like through a straw, and then it comes out through the caliper. When you go and pump the brake pedal to force more fluid through, that's all it is. It's just straight fluid. And then you open the bleeder, let the air out, wait till the fluid's all the way through, and then it's bled. Ta-da! There we go. Now that it's coming out, we'll tighten it up. Not too tight, just snug. Then you're gonna go inside your car and pump your brake pedal until it gets hard. Okay, we're gonna come in here, and then we're gonna just pump our brake pedal until it gets hard. So what it's doing is expanding the caliper pistons out and filling the entire caliper full of fluid. All right, that's nice and hard. Then you're gonna come back to your bleeder, open it, and it's gonna bubble out. See a couple air bubbles coming out. There they are. So once it's done air bubbling, it's full, and that's it. Yep, I just have a straight consistent amount of fluid, and if you want to double check it, go and pump it a couple more times and then open the bleeder just like this and then close it. And that's it. That's how you bleed your brakes by yourself.